My name is Bear Grylls and welcome to nature. And I'm gonna guide you through one of the most dangerous places on earth. Okay, I'm gonna show you my equipment. I get my binoculars, I get my backpack. Let me see what I got here. I got my boomerang just in case. And I got my beans. You only need beans, okay? It's just a real cowboy that eats beans. And I have my, just hold on here. And this is one of the most important equipment I have with me. And this is only in case you get lost in nature and you need a high technology telephone. And I also get my secret weapon. I only use this when it becomes dangerous. So let's go. So I'm gonna go down this hill now. This is really dangerous. I'm gonna guide my cameraman Alex down here. So let's go. Need to be careful on the rocks here because you may fall. That is really dangerous. And you can also trip on this stick. This we just throw away. Let's go. Ah, just smell the air. So clean. But it's also dangerous here. Down this hill, right there. And to do that, I need to pass these trees. And the bad thing about that is that this thing here is really sticky. So I just need to run into it and hope for best. So my name is Bear Grylls and I'm gonna do this. Let's hope for best. Okay. Yeah, I'm ready, man. Okay. Ah! Come here. I almost fell down this cliff. Just look at it. That was almost, I died there. So I need to find another way around. But first I'm gonna take a break. So I'm gonna take a break to find a good spot where you have the view and you have the, you know, you can see all the dangerous things, you know. That's really important. So I find the perfect spot right here. So I'm gonna get down, and this is real dangerous right here. I'm gonna take from my special weapon, and also, yeah, just forget it about it and look at this, my special weapon right here. So when you are with Mother Nature, you may feel alone. No offense, Alex. So I got this one here. So I'm gonna play a song to cheer me up a bit. So. Okay, here we go. La 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 la. Okay, I'm good. Let's go. Just need to gear up, put the stuff back. So I'm gonna get down here now, and I need to be real careful because it's pretty, oh damn, be careful because that's okay, let's go. Oh, man. Okay, yeah, okay, I see a way down here, but I'm gonna look for a safer way down. So yeah, just gonna check. Yeah, no, I don't know. Yeah, I think I may find the way down, but let's get down here. Wait. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, Alex, be careful here. careful. Okay. Little flowers there. Okay. Found a little cave. I'm gonna sleep over here in the dark, but I just gonna go around right down to the station. You see the stick right there? This tree. So I need to go on top. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm good. Yeah. Yeah. Whew. Yeah. Ah, man. Ah, look at this one. Look at this sticky hair. At my finger. Just look. Okay. Stop. Scare up. Let's go down here. So Alex, just be careful and follow me. Ah, I get the spider. Okay. Okay, so just gonna take a short break. Just I got something in my shoes. Okay, I almost lost my special weapon. So just pick it up. Yeah, it's there. Oh my god. Okay, this ain't safe. I have to go one of these rocks right here. I just hope we're back. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, I may found a way down. So just I don't really care about my shoes. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, God dang. Oh, oh, God dang. Oh, I got it on recording. Yeah. Yeah, I can hear civilization. Let's go. Oh. Okay, move. Yeah. Yeah, I can see civilization. Yeah, yeah. It's on, man. Civilization. Ah! Okay, it was some really everything up there. But civilization, man. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. I'll just check his body. Yeah, let's go. Okay, just gonna run quickly through there. Bear Gryller did it again. Look at that wound. That's sick, man. But I did it, man. Bear Gryller did it. So goodbye, everyone. I need to get home and